Hi guys, so today I'm just going to be redoing my Rilakkuma tag squishy collection video because the previous one with the music wasn't that good in my opinion. And besides, if I talk, it'll be more detailed. So let's get started now. And these squishies are not for trade or sale, no matter how much or how well you offer. So I'm really sorry about that. I know you guys really want these squishies, and if you're wondering where I got them, my dad's friend, he went to Japan and bought me these squishies, so I'm really thankful to him for that. And yeah, let's get started. So this is the first squishy that is out of packaging because I don't know why, but it came out of plastic. So I don't really mind at all. And this is the packet. It says Rilakkuma Cafe here. And here is the bag. It's some sticker. And there's a hole here to put the weapon strap. So I hope you guys don't mind the crinkling noises. This is why I decided to remake the video because the crinkling noises, I don't think you guys like it. Please tell me if I should keep this video or delete it off and just use the old one, or delete the old one. And then it comes with this adorable curatory tag, and this is really cute because like the donut is almost the size of the macaroon, so it looks like he or she is pushing the macaroon. And then there's this really tiny ball chain to attach this. It doesn't come with a sticker tag or whatever, just a stretchy silicone strap. So there's that. Please note that there are lots of crinkling noises in this video. I hope you don't mind. Then I have this pink macaroon with a Rilakkuma tag. So, yeah. Basically the back and the front is all the same. And then there's this orange Rilakkuma macaroon. I think the tag is on the packaging, that's why, like, over here and here. This one, I can't close it because there's no adhesive. And then I have this macaroon. All of these are really, really squishy. This one. Okay, then I have some bread buns. Oops, I think I need to make it higher. Okay, I know my desk is really messy. But yeah. Okay, so I have this bread bun. And it comes with a Rilakkuma in a Paris themed-ish costume. This is really squishy. Here is the tag. I like this one a lot. The texture, there is some texture at the back, but I'm not going to take it out. There's this same one, but it has a Rilakkuma tag instead. I'm not going to take these out of packaging, even though they're in my own collection and I'm not trading them off. Because if I do, I have to either destroy the plastic or the sticker, which I don't want to. And then I have some croissants, or I don't know how you pronounce them, but you guys know what it is. This one is the same Rilakkuma tag. As you can see. And what's this? It's a chocolate one. this curatorial one. It's really cute. I only have a few curatorial squishies, so I really like those. This one and the macaroon. And the last Rilakkuma text squishy I have is this Rilakkuma toast, and this is very similar to the Kawaii one. Like the shape is the same. Hold on. I'm just gonna show some comparisons. Okay. So this is the Kawaii toast, and this is the squishy. So the shape is the same, and the back is about the same as well. But this is really squishy. But this one isn't very squishy. This is really soft though. So yeah, this is my Rilakkuma tag squishy collection, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's pretty boring. It's like so much longer than the previous one. And if you have any questions, please comment down below or send me a PM. And once again, like I've repeated many times, or else you guys will ask me, these squishies are not for trade or for sale. And yeah, no matter what, because I really like them and I treasure them a lot. So thank you so much for watching. Bye!